What's up, everybody? Back at it again, right? Yeah, we're sitting inside a 2015 BMW X5. I'm going to show it to you today. This one is definitely a pretty car for sale right now, currently in November 2021 at Southern Motor Company. As always, I'm Chad with CharlestonCarVideos, here to show you pre-owned vehicles for sale right here in the Carolinas. That's what I'm here to do. Hopefully you'll like what you're seeing and maybe reach out to me in the near future to buy yourself another car. Let's go ahead and get this review started. All right, let's walk up and take a look at the 2015 X5. So this one here has the xDrive system, which is all-wheel drive. And then under the hood is the 3.5 twin turbo, which is basically a V6 twin turbo. Got plenty of power to get you up and down the road. It's a really nice car, you know, the BMW X5. If you're out there looking to buy yourself a mid-size SUV, well, this might be just the right choice for you. That's if you like the looks of it, right? You gotta like the looks of the car. So anyways, it's a pretty color. Like I said earlier, it's kind of a mix between silver and gold, kind of a champagne desert mist, which I really like. It's a little different, you know? I've never been a really big fan of gold cars, but this is, man, when the sun hits it right there on that fender like that, it really looks more silver. But the wheels are silver, so you can kind of see the contrast difference between the two. And this one's got Pirelli tires, plenty of tread on them. They do got a little bit of curb rash on some of the wheels, which is kind of common on pre-owned vehicles. It's got a nice clean running board down the side. And I like how BMW gives these little grippy things right here. Makes it so you don't slip when you're stepping up to get in. Also does have a heads-up display right over there, so you can see the mile per hour and some other little features like that on the windshield when looking out. So you can kind of keep your eyes to the road. It's got the panoramic roof that stretches to the back. Front windows are not tinted, but the back one's got the factory tint. And as you can see, the passenger side body's in good shape. Doesn't really have any major dents, dings, or scratches. Rear's looking good, dualed out, backup sensors, backup camera. You can hit the little button there to open that part up. And kind of like a Range Rover, if some of y'all are familiar with those, like this. So you can kind of open the top, open there, load all your gear in. Now, what I like about how this drops down is it kind of stops the scratching part, how people scratch the bottom of their bumper right up in here. It kind of stops that, right? So that's kind of cool. Plenty of room in the back. There is no third row seat, by the way. This is just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-seater vehicle, but got a lot of storage in the back. And just like a lot of these pre-owned Beamers that we get, for some reason they're always missing the cargo cover, which usually comes with the car brand new. But like I've said in the past, I think people take their cars to dealers, they end up trading them in or they turn their lease in and they forget and leave the cargo cover at the house. But anyways, when I have a cargo cover on my car, I don't ever take it off. I just leave it just like it is. So anyways, maybe it's something extra that you have to buy that BMW sells. And that's why so many of these we get don't have the cargo cover, because maybe you actually got to buy that, you know, as maybe an aftermarket, or not aftermarket, but an accessory at the parts center. And not everybody's going to, you know, do that. Anyways, the rear of the car looks good, and the back here, the seats are really nice. I wouldn't say this is tan interior. This is really like a parchment. So it's a very light shade of tan. The floor mats are more of a tan, right? A little bit darker. Those are WeatherTech mats. You got them in the front and in the back. And you also got, just like the BMW X6 we filmed earlier today, you got dual climate control in the front, dual climate control in the back. You got heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back. And the armrest, there you go. You got the little cup holders there. Back seats fold down. So, I mean, it's very similar to an X3, X5, X6, maybe even an X1. I mean, all of these are very, very similar in the way they're all set up. But a very clean car. It really is super, super clean. I mean, just super nice. Look at that. Very nice car. Wow. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, let you see under there. So yeah, this is a 15 X5 with just around 114,000 miles on it. So mileage is actually pretty good. You know, it's just a little bit over 100. Here's the engine. There's that twin turbo. There you go. Sounds just like it should sound. Nice and solid. And I love this setup on the headlights. You got the LED here, the angel eyes. You got your LED fogs down on the bottom there. Really pretty car. This one happens to be well equipped. I mean, it's got all the options I would want if I were to go to the dealer and buy one. Maybe excluding like an M Sport package or something, but this is really nice. All right, get my seatbelt on. So typically a car like this is gonna be somewhere in the mid 20,000 range. So we're talking 22, 23 grand, somewhere right around there. And that's about right for a 15 model with 100K on the mileage. But if you ask me, I think someone probably really took nice care of this car. And it's just super clean. It was really clean when we got it originally. But yeah, it's been definitely well taken care of. As I always will tell you, go online to our website at smccharleston.com and check out the Carfax report, more photos. You can also send us an email, do a credit application, whatever it is you need to do, you can do it right there on our website and watch videos just like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope to see everybody soon. I'm Chad at Southern Motor Company and also right here on YouTube at CCV, which is Charleston Car Videos. Thanks again. Been on YouTube now 11 years strong, and I'm definitely ready to help you with purchasing your next car. We'll see you soon.